What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to fix engine reduced power problem in Chevy cars. I will explain what are the symptoms and what engine codes we got, and then I'm gonna show you how we fixed it with replacing the gas pedal. This is the old one, and let me get into the car and show you what exactly happened. Okay, so we got the engine, the check engine light on, and we also got the traction control light coming on, which is supposed to be right here, but it's not on right now. And the codes were P2122 P2138 and P2135. So the two codes P2122 and P2138 are related directly to the gas pedal, and the code P2135 is related to the throttle position sensor under the hood. But you want to fix the gas pedal first, replace the gas pedal, because the sensor which is attached to the back of the gas pedal goes bad very commonly on these cars, and it may trip the throttle position sensor because there's no signal transmitted between both of them. So what you want to do first is you want to replace the gas pedal, and I will show you how right now, and then erase the codes. And then if the throttle position sensor comes back, the code P2135 comes back only by itself, then that means that there's something wrong with the throttle position sensor under the hood, and then you tackle that problem. But for now, you just want to replace the gas pedal and then erase the codes, and hopefully the check engine light doesn't come back at all. So now, if you go down underneath the hood, this is the old gas pedal, okay? So it sits like that, and the new one is already installed, and the sensor on the new one, the whole gas pedal is updated, so the sensor is bigger and it's mounted on the side. The mount is bigger and thicker. It's a way better gas pedal. This one I bought, the new one I bought from Rock Auto. It's a standard motor product. It has warranty, and it's only $70, so it's a great option. And now how you replace it is just these two 10mm bolts. They come out, the pedal drops, and then you unplug it, and then you put I had to remove some of the insulation behind the gas pedal. I just ripped it off by my hand so it sits flush with the metal behind it. So, and then you plug the new one in, you just put it in place, two 10mm bolts, and you are good to go. After that, you want to plug in the OBD2, erase the codes, and then hopefully the check engine light does not come back in the future. So with that being said, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.